Hi, I'm Julia, and I will talk to you about the timeline. So here I have my client. I can see all the features of Reportei, so I can see the reports, dashboards, timeline, and automations. And I will just create my first event in timeline. But first, I want to talk to you about the timeline. What is the timeline? The timeline is a unique way to show the evolution of a marketing project you have. So the idea is that you can add events to a timeline. Each point of evolution of the project, each strategy meeting, each achievement deserves to be recorded. So you can add these events, add a timeline to a timeline, and you can share the timeline with your client. So every moment of your project can be reported in this way. So you can highlight in timeline the moments that were important for the construction of the current results, because the reports are just a picture of some period, but the reports not transmit all the work you put on this project. So each customer, each client you have, you can add a timeline, and you can add the events on the timeline and share the timeline with your client. You can also add at the timeline the reports. So you can just see all the reports that were made in one place. You can share the link with your client. The link is unique, so if you add events, it doesn't change. So you can share one time with a client, and he can or she can see the information you have added with the same link. So that is the idea of the timeline. I will just create my first event here to show you how you can create a timeline. So I will just make first meeting. I can select the data. So I will just select the 1st of November, details here. So details, I can link here some documents we have talked, some decisions. I can link the report here, or I can link or I can not link if I don't want to, but I can link the reports that were made here, or the dashboard too. I can select an icon, so more visual. You can just select the item here. So the first meeting, I will just do this, and I can save. I can also save and write an email to notify my customer, my client, or I can just save here. So the timeline, you can see all the events, all the reports just here. I will show how to add a report at a timeline in different ways. So I will just open here a report I just made and show you how you can add this timeline. So I have this option here, my more options, add to timeline. And I can just report. I can select the data. I can have here the details. I can close here. And I can just select that icon here and save. So I can see in timeline all I have done with this project, every step, and share this with my client. So he will be more in the project. So that's the idea of timeline. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please just send us a message and talk to our support team. Bye.